Why are BGP configurations so complex for IXPs? Have you ever wondered why connecting different networks on the internet can be so complicated? One of the main reasons lies in the way we manage these connections, especially at internet exchange points. These are the physical locations where multiple internet service providers and networks come together to exchange traffic. The complexity often starts with the border gateway protocol, which is essential for routing information between different networks. At its core, the border gateway protocol allows separate networks, known as autonomous systems, to communicate with each other. Each network uses this protocol to announce which internet protocol address blocks it can reach. When many networks connect at an internet exchange point, they create a web of connections that can become quite intricate. Imagine if every network had to set up a direct connection with every other network at the exchange point. This would lead to a situation where the number of connections grows rapidly, making it hard to manage. Each connection requires its own setup, monitoring, and troubleshooting. This can quickly become overwhelming. Additionally, each network has its own routing policies and security requirements. This means that every connection needs specific rules to be applied, which adds to the workload. Security measures, like filtering out invalid address ranges, must be consistently enforced across all connections. Any differences in settings can lead to connection failures, complicating the process even further. To simplify this, many internet exchange points use root servers. A root server acts as a middleman, maintaining connections with all networks and redistributing routing information. This means that instead of managing dozens of connections, each network only needs to connect to the root server. However, using root servers does not eliminate complexity. These servers must implement advanced filtering and policies to ensure that only the right routes are shared. Some networks may still choose to maintain direct connections for specific needs, which adds another layer of management. Troubleshooting can also become more challenging because the root server abstracts the direct connections. If something goes wrong, it can be harder to pinpoint the issue. The setup of the root server itself requires careful attention to avoid problems with routing paths. In summary, the complexity of border gateway protocol configurations at internet exchange points arises from the need to support many networks with different policies and security requirements. While root servers help reduce the number of connections each network must manage, they introduce their own challenges. Understanding these configurations is vital for ensuring efficient traffic exchange, maintaining low latency, and optimizing bandwidth use across the internet.